In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access thousands of custom GPTs completely for free without waiting for the OpenAI store to launch next year. To give a bit of background, OpenAI had their development day back in November where they talked about the ability for users to create their own custom GPTs. And what they could do was they could then release those GPTs into a store that OpenAI would be creating. There was a lot of buzz around this, and a lot of people began creating GPTs with the intent of releasing them. I myself have created a video showing you how you can create a custom GPT, and I'll link to that as well. Given that OpenAI has mentioned that their official GPT store is not opening until next year, that hasn't stopped the community from creating their own GPTs and actually releasing them on websites. I'm going to show you a few websites that have thousands of custom GPTs that can be used for free if you are a ChatGPT Plus user. The first website I want to show you is gptstore.ai. And as you come to the main page, you can see that they have a lot of different categories available to you. So here's the main page. So let's say, and you can see here up at the top, it says currently right now that there are 29,317 GPTs that are available. And if you're somebody who's creating custom GPTs and you want to test it out with the public, you can certainly submit your GPT to the website. So I'm going to search for fitness because around this time of year and heading into the new year, a lot of people like to get back into fitness. And here's one that stands out to me, which is assistant to personal fitness trainers. So after you click on it, it gives you a breakdown specifically of what the knowledge file is and what programming language that it's using, what image generation it's using, and it also gives you some prompt starters that you can actually get started with. And this one is very specific to if you're a personal trainer and you're continuing to work with clients and you want an assistant that can help you out in this area. There are very specific questions that you can ask, but of course, you can go ahead and you can type in your own prompts. You don't necessarily have to follow the ones here. Now to add it, all you need to do is click on Try Assistant to Fitness Personal Trainer and it'll open it up directly in ChatGPT. Now again, you do have to be a Plus user in order to do this, and you can use it at your leisure completely for free as long as you have a Plus account. The next website is actually aggregated by Product Hunt, and if you're not familiar with Product Hunt, they're a website that offers a lot of different products and services available to customers. This interface is a little bit more slick. They start with some hand-picked GPTs that they actually want to feature. But as you scroll down, you continue to get categories of different sizes. So I'll pick a different one, which is all about writing. So if you're somebody who's looking to actually create an ebook and you're passionate about creative writing, you have one here, which is the ebook writer and designer GPT, and it's specifically tailored here in the description for creating stories. It does give you some prompt starters again, and it also tells you who the author is. And very similarly, if you wanted to try this, you could just click Try Now, and it'll bring you over to ChatGPT, and you can just go right ahead and start using it. The next website is by an AI aggregate website called Super Tools. It's a really cool website that shows you a lot of different programs that you can actually use that tailor specifically to AI, and it's updated all the time. They also decided to have their own GPT section as well. So as soon as you come to the website, you can just click GPTs at the top. And again, you're brought down to a bunch of different products and different categories. I'm going to click on productivity for this one. And so, you've got, what's interesting is you can actually have somebody who is a tech support advisor. So this one here is anybody that you need to help you with anything printer related or troubleshooting technical support devices, you can certainly add that and ask it a lot of questions, and it has a great knowledge base. The only thing that I would say about this website is you don't get as much information about the author, about specifically the program language that's being used, what it's being trained on, but it is a good website and has a very slick design. The last website is gptsdex.com, and although it's been featured on Product Hunt, it's a completely standalone website on its own. And this one is really good because it does some of the aggregating for you. So It'll tell you which ones are the top GPTs that have launched today. You can scroll down and you can actually go to what's trending right now, what's brand new, and what's been released. And then if you wanted to add some filters by day, week, month, etc., you could do that. I really like this website just really for the wealth of information that it gives you. So if I was to go on coding, and let's say I wanted to actually get a GPT specifically designed around coding, and I'll click on this one, having a world-class software engineer. So it gives you the description. It also shows you in terms of its ranking and how much it's been uploaded by users that use the website. It gives you a direct link if you want to copy it and share it with someone. And then it tells you about different plugins that are available and what it specifically is going to help you when it comes to coding. And then if you wanted to try it out, you could just simply click try it out and it'll bring you to ChatGPT. So these are really great websites. They're constantly being updated and users are submitting their GPTs, which you can take full advantage of and use them at your discretion. And you need to use caution when using these websites because it's officially not vetted by OpenAI. There wouldn't stop any bad actors from creating their own GPTs. So full disclaimer, you do need to exercise caution. I'm encouraging you to read and to look at all of the information and exercise good judgment and use it at your discretion, because ultimately you're accountable for your own user experience when browsing the web, and that includes using custom GPTs until OpenAI's website is available. But that's it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.